All right, everybody, here is your core bytes number 120. So for the table, you have to input the numbers. So your y, which is your answer, you get your answer by doing the x, whatever the number is up here, plus 7. So if you take 4 plus 7, you're going to get 11. If you take 5 plus 7, you're going to get 12. If you take 6 plus 7, you're going to get 13. If you get 7 plus 7, you're going to get 14. So that's how you find those. You just take the top number plus 7 gives you the bottom number. Alright? For number 2, you're going to divide 2,352 divided by 3. 2,352 divided by 3. 3 cannot go into 2, so you go to the next number. 3 times 7 would give you 21. 23 minus 21 would give you 2. 3 times 8 would give you 24. 25 minus 24 would give you 1. Bring down your 2. 3 times 4 gives you 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, so you don't have a remainder for that. So your answer would be 784. For the next one, we're going to simplify some fractions. So for 6/9, you would divide both of them by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9, so you'd have 2/3. For 5/10, you would divide both by 5. 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, so that would be 1/2. And then for 6/8, you could divide each of them by 2 because they're even numbers. So 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. And then for the next one, which is less, 30 milliliters or 3 liters? And if you remember, the other day we did some work with this, and we said that 1,000 milliliters equals a liter, right? So we said that the milliliters, if you only have 30, that would be a lot less. And for your last one, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Based on where it is, we would say no, because if you fold that, it will not be equal on all the sides. Okay? So guys, check yours.